excessive heat generation. An important fact: when you drive a tire severely underinflated or severely overloaded, the effects are the same. The deflection, which is compression or bulge due to weight of the vehicle and occupants of the tire, increases excessively, and heat generating exceeds the tolerable limit of the tire. Let me explain it a little bit more in a diagrammatic form. Now, this is our tire, for instance. This is our tire. Now, you always discover that the part on the ground of the tire is always more compressed than the part up. Why? That's because the weight of the tire actually compresses the tire. So what happens is that when you are driving the tire, the car, your vehicle, the tire is rolling. So what happens is that it is compressing and expanding, compressing and expanding. All right. Now, when there is overload or there is underinflation, what happens is that there is a level that is tolerable, that is built into the tire of heat generation that the tire can take. But when the underinflation or overload is too high, what happens is that the compression, if this is the normal compression, then there will be excessive compression, which means it goes like this. So what happens is that instead of you to have a normal compression, say like this, what you have is like this. And what we now find is that the heat generated is excessive and exceeds the tolerable limit the tire is built for. Curiously, a lot of people have the belief that inflating the tire to a level lower than what is recommended actually reduces heat generation. I'm sure you can understand now what an anomaly that is. I always ask those kind of people, I said, how do you expect a bottle of Coke that is half filled to generate less pressure than one that is filled when you shake it? The excessive heat generated by the excessive deflection of the tire changes the properties of the tire rubber, making it lose its cohesive features. The tire components are therefore no longer bonded together. This results in the separation of the tire components, especially in the crown, and then subsequent burst.